Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making jamun, sabudana gulab jamun. Sabudana gulab jamun. The ingredients are boiled potato 1 cup, all-purpose flour 30 grams, and sugar 300 grams for sugar syrup. Then soaked sabudana 1 cup. Then mix it 2 ingredients and grind it smoothly paste. Then deep fry it. Catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Next, take the grinder and add sabudana soaked. Remove the water and the scratch, then add okay, then add boiled aloo, smash it nicely, make into small pieces, then add all-purpose flour, then grind it nicely. Wow, it's not mixed well. Again keep it for 1 minute, then remove it. Okay, now it is okay. Then I removed batter from the grinder and I added the all-purpose flour. So rest it for minimum 20 minutes because when you are adding on oil it will break easily and come onto the face. So when you are adding all-purpose flour or any maida, anything, rest it for minimum 20 minutes. It is commonly thing, and it will also tight also. And don't add water because it will lose liquid consistency. And then make it. Now oil is heated. Now I am adding batter, sabudana batter. Take the oil. First wash your hands neatly. Then apply oil for avoid sticky. Then add sabudana small balls. Again apply oil and make small balls. Then deep fry like golden brown color. Next remove it and add into the sugar syrup, and it is in a very softy texture also. I will show. And one more small jamun. Wow. Last small drop, and deep fry it nicely until golden brown color. I already make the sugar syrup. Then switch off the stove. Then add fried jamuns on sugar syrup. Because of sabudana, you can see the small shapes like this. It will evaporate the oil, so don't deep fry it deeply, because it will soak it and smoothie texture. That's why. Then keep it for 2 hours minimum to soak the sabudana gulab jamun, and don't mix with the ladle. Use this and rotate like this. Gulab jamun is ready. I will taste after 2 hours, because it will inside the sugar syrup goes easily. And keep it in a side. Sabudana is very helpful to the vitamin B6 and folate. Finally, I am tasting sabudana gulab jamun. I'm showing now. So much sugary. Because of sabudana, you can get little bit of shapeless. Sugar coated very well also. You can see the very softness inside. That's why sugar go inside.